Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to make Spotify louder. So go for your Spotify app. Now go for in this gear option, scroll down and after that you can see here a Equalizer option. Go for it and you have to turn it on. Now you can change the default from here. Now go for classic, then after that you can change also from here. You can make it louder. You can change the bass boost and surround sound. So after that you have to just go back and you make the Spotify louder like this. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.